Jangan lupa untuk subscribe dan nyalakan lonceng notifikasinya.
British car manufacturer Aston Martin has launched a new flagship in the DBX lineup, the DBX 707. This model is a significantly improved version of the standard SUV. The Aston Martin DBX 707 comes with a raft of mechanical upgrades that make this model the carmaker's most powerful luxury SUV, placing it ahead of the Lamborghini Urus, Bentley Bentayga Speed and Porsche Cayenne. Turbo SE Hybrid. This model gets a major change in the rework of the Mercedes DBX AMG twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine from Aston Martin engineers, having added 157 horsepower and 200 Nm to bring peak output to 707 horsepower and peak torque of 900 Nm. Thanks to the upgraded air suspension, retuned power steering system, reinforced limited slip differential and carbon ceramic brake discs on the DBX 707, this model provides greater dynamic capability compared to the standard DBX. The chassis upgrade on this model also promises the car for flatter cornering, as well as tighter management of vertical movement over bumps and reduced pitching and crouching during braking and acceleration. The Aston Martin DBX 707 features a larger grille with a new dual-propeller mesh pattern that is the most obvious difference, plus redesigned headlight clusters, air intakes and bumpers, black trim details and larger quad exhausts. This too sporty design theme continues in the cabin, which has Sport Plus seats and all switchgear covered in dark chrome. Aston Martin CEO, Tobias Moers suggested the DBX 707 could catch the SUV lap record at Nürburgring, Germany, which is currently held by the Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT with a time of 7 minutes 38.9 seconds. Moers also said he saw potential in the sales of the DBX 707, which is estimated to be able to reach 60% of overall DBX sales.